What's up, crazy YouTube family? Hey, just want to do a quick video on this new bike build that I'm doing here. 2023 BMW S1000RR. A little different from my old bike. This is the M Package. I want to show you a little different of what I was riding before. I'm going to give you a cold start. So I've already done, it's only 200 miles on it right now, and I've already done some changes to it already. I've done the Akrapovic Titanium headers. I kept the stock muffler, which is also Akrapovic. I got the M resets, I got the M levers, I got a full 6 carbon brake lever protector. I did get the taller windscreen, which is Puig Race. It's only an inch taller than the actual stock bike. I'm gonna get some the radiator and oil cooler guards. I'm not quite sure exactly what else I'm gonna do. Oh yeah, carbon fiber on this, or a carbon fiber lower fairing, carbon fiber rear hugger, carbon fiber chain guard. I'll get that. That's on order. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on what's going on with me for the 2024 riding season. 2023 and 2024 double R's are going to be the same colors, same options, not much different in the bike. So I know I'm a little late to the game here for the 2023 model, but I'm pretty excited here. I'll give you a cold start. And when I say cold start, I mean it's 40 degrees out in New Hampshire. It's just after Thanksgiving. And I'm going to let you guys hear this a little bit. My dealer offered me to get the torque map instead before I do the Brentoon. I'm going to still do the Brentoon. I just want to see what that torque map is. I'll show you guys what the performance is on that torque map. See how good it is. It's going to reduce my horsepower. Not that I use all the horsepower here, but it's going to straighten up the curve and get rid of that dead spot. Bike sounds pretty good with this titanium pipe. Guys, oh, I get the Zomo mirrors coming in. I got the NSC block offs right now because I got the NSC directional. Let me put these on for you. They're pretty bright. You can't see them in the wind light as much, but and the TST. They're pretty good too. I like them. It'll be a nice bike. That's how I'm done with it. See what happens. 2023 model